now we have gotten past stage 1, which is the safe zone. You're out of range. The second one is kicking. Third, we're getting into punching. You're getting a little bit closer to that person. You're within arm's distance. So these are the punches that you can use to effectively get away.
So say for example, you're kind of caught off guard. It could be anywhere. You could be at the grocery store. You could be out trying to get in your car, anything like that. And somebody actually gets to step up a little bit closer. So now you can no longer kick. Those kicks aren't good anymore. But you're in arm's reach, okay? So you have punches, yes. Now, if you're not familiar, if you're not comfortable, if you're not proficient of making a fist, which most of you ladies aren't, and that's totally okay, open hand.
We are loving creatures.
Yes.
Most days.
Here's one too, an open, I don't know if we've done this
We haven't
before.
done this one yet.
An open palm to the ear, like that hurts like nobody's business. You would really be surprised. Yeah, just whack it. It works really well. And ideally, if you can, the triangle. So you, anything from the nose and the teeth, hit that one. So anywhere in the nose, you're good to go, all right? And it's not that, it's very easy to break somebody's nose. Then the eyes start watering. But if I try to go up and attack somebody and she's punching me in the nose, I'm not gonna sit here and try to continue to attack because she's making noise and punching me in the face. Like, why do I wanna deal with that?
You do not wanna be an easy target.
Yeah.
Like, you might look like an easy target, but the second they get close to you and you punch them in the nose, like, they don't wanna go after you anymore.
So I've been fighting for a long time. Even back in the day, years ago in Japan, you couldn't fight with closed fists, so you had to do open hand. So that's why I know so much about open palms. To the nose and the side of the ear, like it puts you, makes you dizzy, for lack of a greater word. What am I looking to say? No.
It like stuns you.
Yeah, it stuns you.
It just takes you back for a second to where you have 3 seconds to run, to start yelling, to get away. So this part of your hand is really strong. It might be even stronger than some people's fists.
It is.
So don't be afraid to open palm somebody.
Okay, so that's where it comes to punching. That's what we got there. Open hand or closed hand, you're good to go. But try to use that open hand as much as you can. If you have questions, please let us know.